Welcome to Southern Valley. We are so proud to be female-owned and family-operated since 1987. Over the years, we've grown and developed into a highly recognized and progressive growing, packing, and shipping facility, or as we like to call it, seed to shelf. What makes Southern Valley so special is that we are able to supply produce year-round because we have 3 different locations from which we grow, pack, and ship. Let's check them out. A small town called Norman Park, Georgia is where we started 34 years ago, and it's still considered our home base today. We are able to grow here during the spring and fall seasons, and if you ask anybody in our office, we will all say that there's nothing better than the spring and fall in Georgia. We started with 100 acres here in 1987, and now we farm about 2,000 acres at this location. At all of our locations, we do everything after the seeding process by hand. So all seedlings are hand transplanted into the soil, and all of our fruits and vegetables are harvested by hand as well. From the fields, the product is taken to our packing house to be packed, cooled, and shipped. This packing house in Georgia often sees about 60,000 boxes of fresh produce in one day during peak seasons. Our Tennessee farm is located in Evansville, Tennessee, which is a mountain town about an hour north of Chattanooga. With its warm days and cool nights, the weather here makes it perfect to grow during the summer season. We farm about 1,000 acres here in Tennessee. We've been farming here since 2010, and most of us at Southern Valley would say it is the most beautiful farm on earth. Did you know that bees are a crucial part of the growing process? We have about 1 box of bees per acre. Our third farm is in Yucatan, Mexico. Also known as Valley del Sur, we've been farming here since 2003, and it's grown to be our largest farm at about 2,200 acres. We farm here in Yucatan during the winter months, and we've recently acquired about 500 acres of farmland in Florida that we supply from during the winter as well. Just like in both Georgia and Tennessee, we have a state-of-the-art packing house here as well. Southern Valley provides 3 meals a day to our workers at all locations. In fact, Southern Valley has received several Distinctive H awards from the Mexican government, which are the same awards that are given to hotels and restaurants. And trust us, it's good. You'll often find our Georgia office employees over at the kitchen at lunchtime. Now that you've seen who we are and where we are, let's talk about what we do. Southern Valley specializes in eastern veg products, and our most well-known commodity is definitely the pole-grown cucumber. We grow our cucumbers on a stake and netting system, which is very labor-intensive but well worth the investment. Did you know that a cucumber bloom must be pollinated 7 times in order to mature into a perfectly straight green cucumber? In addition to the pole-grown cucumber, we also grow pickles, yellow squash, zucchini, bell pepper, sweet corn, cabbage, green beans, eggplant, hard squash, and variety hot peppers. We offer a lot of these items in convenient grab-and-go packaging. Since we harvest in Georgia for the spring and fall seasons, Tennessee for the summer season, and Mexico and Florida during the winter season, we are able to offer year-round programs for our customers. Southern Valley is also vertically integrated, so we can oversee the whole process from seed to shelf. We truly believe that our employees are our greatest investment, and we are so thankful for 34 years together. We have loved showing you around. Thanks for visiting.